Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And yes, I am here with a CVS video for you. I know I haven't been at CVS in a long time, probably since 2022, but I am back and I have a bunch of clearance finds to share with you. So make sure that you have your coupons.com app downloaded, your Ibotta app downloaded, as well as your CVS app. Before we jump into the deals, I want to do one last big push to try to reach my goal at the end of the month, which is today, to reach 10,000 subscribers. I am exactly 123 subscribers away. So I'm asking you guys to help me out by hitting that subscription button, sharing this video with your friends and family, reposting it on your social media, and just letting everyone know what we're doing over here at Nicole is Making It Happen so that they can save money just like I do and just like you do. So I'm just asking you guys to help me reach my goal of 10,000 subscribers. So guys, let's go ahead. Let's jump right into these deals and let's get ready to save. Okay, our first deal, guys, is not a clearance deal, but I think it's a good deal on Pampers, so I wanted to show you guys. So this week, the Pampers diapers, which are the bags, are on sale for $11 a piece or 2 for $22. You want to grab 2 bags because when you buy 2, you get a $5 extra buck back. So that makes this for an incredible deal. But there are other ways that we're going to save too. So for instance, these Pampers are regularly $15.49 a bag. But this week you're only going to pay $11 a bag. Then you're going to go into your CVS app. You're going to clip a coupon, but you're also going to submit your receipt to Ibotta because Ibotta is giving you a $1.50 back for each bag. So we're going to get $3 back from Ibotta. And then we're going to clip the $3 digital coupon in your CVS app. So your total out of pocket is going to be $11. That's like buying one and getting one for free. Here are our clearance deals. So here is this Phillips Milk of Magnesia. It's regularly $14.49, but it's 75% off. So you're just going to pay $3.62, and it's only the fresh mint kind, not any others. And here is the UPC. You see it doesn't expire until 10/25. So you have well over a whole year. Then we have this Consul Gut Health. This is regularly $19.49. It's 50% off. It comes down to $9.74. Here is the UPC for this so that you make sure that you get the right one. Then when you go down the aisle, you will see that they have the Roto on clearance, and it is the Max Strength and Max Redness Relief. It is 40% off, regularly $9.569. Next is the Dizzy Fizz, drug-free, safe, and natural. And this is $59.99 with 75% off, comes down to $14.99. Next, we have the Smolison Pink Eye Nighttime Gel. It is regularly $11.79, 50% off, comes down to $5.89. Then they have the Sustain Zaditor, 75% off, comes down to $7.44. They also have the Evisia, which is also on clearance. It's 50% off, comes down to $7.89. Here are some travel earplugs, and it's a kit. It's the CVS brand, 75% off, $2.44. They have the extra large microfiber cloth cleaner for $2.63. Then they have some more earplugs, but these are just the plugs, not the kit. They are 45% off, $3.18. Here are some Clear Eyes, the Triple Relief. They are 50% off, comes down to $2.74. Next, they have some eyeglasses. These are blue light blocking glasses, and they are 75% off, comes down to $9.99. And then here's another style. There are 2 different styles, 2 different colors. Those are also 75% off, comes down to $7.49. Here's some cleaning and disinfecting lens care. It's a whole system, 30% off, comes down to $11.54. I'd wait on that a little bit. And check out the electronics department. They have a lot of electronic goods, whether it's the rechargeable earbuds, the cell phone accessories such as the chargers, the plugs, I mean everything, headphones, and everything is anywhere from 50 to 75% off. They have all kind of frames that are 20 to 75% off. You see some are 35, some are 45, some are 75. Like this one's $1.49. This 5x7 is $1.24. These frames, guys, would make great Christmas gifts, especially if you give pictures as gifts. This is a great way to get a frame, put the picture in the frame, and now you have a complete gift to give away. But they have every size, 8x10, 5x7, whatever size you need. I'm going to actually grab a couple of these for myself because I need some frames. Here's some for even 99 cents, an 8x10 for 99 cents. You cannot beat that. And you see they also have different colors and different materials too. So next, you'll see that they have the Bounce dryer sheets, 34 count. These are not cheap enough for me. They are only 45% off at $2.13. I'll wait on these a little bit. But then they do have the Downy, two different Downies. This Downy with the pink rose is 30% off, comes down to $4.89. And then they have the Downy with the white rose. That's only 15% off. I'll definitely wait on that one. But you can look on the P&G website to see if there's any printable coupons. This micro band spray is pretty good price. One is 40% off, the green one. And then the orange one is actually 75% off. That's the one that I think I'm going to end up grabbing. But spring cleaning's up, so let's get them now. Then they have these paper straws, and there are actually, here we go, 25 straws in a pack, and they are 75% off for $1.24. Then they have the biodegradable straws, which is 50 in a pack. Those are 30% off at $2.72. And they have this 96-piece plasticware, and it has the forks, the spoons, and the knives, 75% off for $2.32. That's a great buy. And then they have the 18-piece spoon set. Only the spoons are on sale for 50% off, $1.69. Look at the Scott toilet paper, guys. The singles are on clearance for 20% off, $1.59. I'm going to wait for these to go down just a little lower because I think I can get them much cheaper. But here is the Michael brand multi-purpose cleaning spray. And this is 30% off at $4.89. I'll wait until that goes down a little more too. They have this Angel Soft, which is only 10% off, but there's also an Ibotta rebate for $1 off. But I think I'll wait on that too because I think that's a little more expensive. You can actually get that cheaper when it's on sale. So I'll definitely wait on that one. Keep an eye out. They have this foot mask that is on clearance, 75% off for $1.29. They also have this moisturizing foot cream. Great for the summertime. Get those feet ready for the sandals. 75% off. Comes down to $2.49. Here are some other things. They have tons of Dr. Scholl's products from 35 to 75% off. And we do have some Dr. Scholl's coupons that we can use. Some are $3 off and some are $6 off. They're in the 5-7 save and they are not expired yet. So you have lots to choose from. They have these goldfish. It's a huge bag of goldfish. 30% off, comes down to $3.63. I think I'm going to wait on those also. So guys, this is just some clearance finds that I found at the one store, but I know there's a lot here that is not marked. So I'm going to do a bunch of scanning and bring you guys another video. I'm also going to go to another store that I know always has a lot of their clearance marked and tagged. So be on the lookout for another video, but please come back. Let me know what you found. Let me know what items you were able to get. And until the next time, keep on saving.